Hello guys, travel around the world officials. Today I am talking about Kalash Valley in Pakistan. Keelash Valley is located in Pakistan, in Gilgit-Baltistan, in the district of Chitral, in province of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. These people are around about 4,000 people, the minority people living in Pakistan. Because Pakistan is Islamic country and these people are totally minority, and they called in Pakistan Kafirstan. These people have own traditions and own culture. They have so many dance festivals in their region, and the all women wear special jewelries and special dresses they all make, and that day on the festival they wear that. They one of the most famous festival 22 August, and every year annual festival is named Utcha, and these days the women dance with men together, and at that day they choose their partner and they get married without any permission. They have their own culture, they have their own traditions, and that's why they follow their own culture. They don't need to rules and regulations about Pakistan government. Pakistan provided them all facilities to as a minorities people living there, and these women they can marry easily and can divorce easily without any rules and regulations, and they are waiting for also more facilities and well educated.